Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rakesh from Poppingo, and in this video, let's take a look at how to make the best use of the clipboard feature in Windows 10. By the way, did you know you can copy more than one text or value and decide which one to use while pasting? That's the trick we are going to learn today. And yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. I have a pro tip to share with you all. So why waste time? Let's get this started. First up, let's assume I'm copying this text right here on my screen. So what I would basically do is use the well-known shortcuts Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Simple, right? But doing so, I can only paste the last text that I copied. How do I paste the text that I copied well before the last line of text? In order to do this, you will have to use the keys Windows+V instead of Ctrl+V. Now, once you press Windows+V, you will see a small pop-up window called Clipboard from where you can select what to paste out of all the text you had copied earlier. Simple but very useful. Let's copy this text. So I copied like here, okay, and I do not wish to paste that anywhere, so I want to copy share now. Okay, after I do this, I wish to paste like instead of share. How do I do that is just press Windows+V instead of Ctrl+V. When I do that, you can see both like as well as share in my clipboard. You can select one of them to paste them. And hey, if you're not seeing anything in the clipboard, make sure you have turned on the clipboard feature in Windows 10. This is turned off by default. In order to turn it on, head over to settings from the start menu, and from here go to system settings, and under the system settings you can see clipboard from where you can turn on the clipboard history. And since we are here, you can also clear the history from here as well if you don't want them to be available in clipboard anymore. Helpful, right? Okay, are you ready for the pro tip? Let's say I use some of the text very often and I do not want to copy them every now and then. What I can do is just copy the text for the first time and trigger the clipboard by pressing Windows+V. So let's do that. And now instead of selecting the text and pasting it, I would click on the three dots on the top right corner of the text that I want to paste and pin them. Doing so, they will always be available to paste even if the clipboard data is cleared. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If yes, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. That will motivate us to create more and more such videos in future.